Self-driving car growth, discipline and routines, key factors for today's practitioners. Self-driving cars, a burgeoning technology, are poised to revolutionize transportation. However, their growth hinges on two critical factors: discipline and routines. Regulatory discipline. Regulations play a pivotal role in fostering trust in self-driving car technology. In the United States, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) has established Federal Automated Vehicles Policy (FAVP), providing guidelines for manufacturers. As of 2023, 49 states have adopted some level of autonomous vehicle legislation. So what? Regulatory discipline ensures that self-driving cars adhere to safety standards, fostering trust among consumers and paving the way for widespread adoption. Innovation discipline. Manufacturers must maintain a disciplined approach to innovation, continually refining algorithms and sensors to improve safety and efficiency. Waymo, Google's self-driving car project, has logged over 20 million miles in autonomous driving since 2009, contributing significantly to the technology's development. So what? Innovation discipline drives technological advancements, making self-driving cars safer and more efficient, thereby increasing their appeal to consumers. Routine integration. Integrating self-driving cars into daily routines is crucial for widespread adoption. Companies like Uber and Lyft are partnering with autonomous vehicle manufacturers to test ride-sharing services in select cities. In 2024, a pilot program was launched in San Francisco, offering autonomous rides to the public. So what? Routine integration familiarizes the public with self-driving cars, reducing anxiety and fostering acceptance of this new technology. Operational routines. Establishing operational routines is essential for self-driving car fleets to function efficiently. Tesla's network as a software business model allows vehicles to communicate with each other and the company, enabling updates and improvements in real time. So what? Operational routines optimize fleet management, reducing costs and improving service quality, making self-driving cars more attractive to consumers and businesses alike. Data routines. Self-driving cars generate vast amounts of data, which must be managed effectively to improve performance. Companies like NVIDIA and Intel are investing in data centers to process this information, enabling vehicles to learn from their experiences and adapt to new situations. So what? Effective data management enhances the learning capacity of self-driving cars, improving their ability to navigate complex environments and reduce accidents. By focusing on these factors, practitioners can drive the expansion of this groundbreaking technology.